So, there are broadly two kind of components. One is active device, right, devices. Like components means like you take all the small devices and then connect them in a multiple way and then create the overall architecture, right, overall structure. Now, that is what I was telling. So, every places you can relate it to a kind of like a kids game, right, which the way they do it, right, like they take small building blocks, put it into a structure, and they have something in mind. They try to capture it in that particular structure and then try to see whether it is matching or not. So, similar to this, right, you take all these components, transistors, resistors, capacitors, inductors, right, these are the components existing. Now, how these kind of components are getting into a silicon substrate, right, silicon substrate I already told, right, compare the silicon substrate with a kind of like a compact disc, right, a CD or a DVD, right, a kind of like that kind of structure which is very solid, and then inside that all those components will be laid in, right.